Hey guys, this is Bree from Review Nerds. If you are anything like me, you are obsessed with the Magnolia Table and their recipes, which are so easy and so good. This is my first time owning one of Joanna's cookbooks, but I've done her recipes online and I've had people send me pictures of her recipes. I got this as a wedding gift on my Amazon registry, and I'm already obsessed with it. There are bagel recipes. So hopefully someone on my registry will buy the bagels. There are pancake recipes, breakfast recipes. There's even a butter flight recipe in here. These are just so easy to make and they're delicious. And so I definitely recommend these. There's butternut squash, dinner, lunch, appetizers. I have made the stuffed mushrooms twice now, and both times people loved them. I'm having our first guest over at our new home, and I will be using solely recipes from this book. So definitely recommend.